Decoding the Phrase Keycap. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into an interesting phrase, keycap. Ever wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll understand its significance in the English language. A keycap is the top part of a key on a keyboard that displays a symbol, letter, or number. It's the part you press down on when typing. Typically, keycaps are removable and can be replaced with different designs or symbols. In essence, the keycap is like the face of the key. The word keycap is a compound word combining key and cap. The term key refers to the button you press on a keyboard, while cap refers to a protective cover or a top layer. So, the phrase essentially describes the top cover of a key. In everyday language, you might hear this term when people discuss customizing their keyboards. For instance, someone might say, "I just got new keycaps for my mechanical keyboard." Understanding the term keycap might seem trivial, but it's vital if you're getting into areas like computer hardware, especially if you're looking into customizing or building keyboards. Design and aesthetics. Some people collect keycaps as they come in various colors, designs, and materials. Technology discussions. It's always great to know specific terms when discussing any topic related to tech. There you have it. Now you're familiar with the term keycap and its significance. Whether you're diving deep into tech discussions or simply admiring a friend's fancy keyboard, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and see you in the next one.